All right, it's been a minute since I've been out here, maybe 2 weeks. I'm trying to get the pattern down for my bees and how often I'm going to be feeding them, since we're kind of in the dormant season here in Florida. It's like the grass just kind of stops growing and we don't really get like the falling leaves and everything else like other states do. Everything just kind of goes dormant. So it's been a week, and when I've been coming out of here, there's always been some sugar water left, but there's none today. So it's been, I think, 6 days. So I'm just trying to see how long it's gonna last. All right, fella. Here we go. Everybody's out of the way. All right. Get out of there. Come on. Okay. Everything's looking good though. They're quiet today. Sorry, you're hearing my dogs just continuously bark. And I sure hope that my sound is on, because last time it wasn't. Yep, they know I'm here, so they're getting worked up. Let's see. Let's see if you can. Oh, it's, well, okay. I don't know what's happening. Maybe they're mating. I don't know. I'll have to do some research on that. Happy Sunday. See you guys in a week. See ya.